A very beautiful morning to my lovely betans. How are you all? Good? I'm also good, beta. This is your science class and I'm your science teacher. Beta, we have done all the exercise and question answers of chapter 3 plants. So you have a worksheet booklet with you, and today we are going to do worksheet of chapter 3 plants in worksheet booklet. We will get to know about some more facts about the plants, and we will investigate many new things also. So please open your worksheet booklet and let's begin the class. This is your science worksheet book, and today we are going to do worksheet of chapter 3 plants. This is the worksheet of chapter 3 plants in your worksheet book on page number 9. Now beta, we will read first question. First question is complete the given flow chart. One flow chart is given to us. We need to fill the blanks. Now first is plant. So here is one clue, root. Now root is what? Root is one of the system of the body of plant. So we need to think in which two systems the body of plant is divided. Yes, correct. Body of plant is divided in two systems, root and shoot. So root is written here. So we will write here shoot. Now next, now roots. These are the types of roots. Now one type of root is tap roots. What is the another type of root? Tell me. Yes, it is fibrous roots. So we will write here fibrous roots. Next beta, now stem. See, stem is divided into three parts. That means these are the types of stem. Now one is written here hard and woody. So what is this type of stem? Yes, soft and green. So we will write here soft and green. Now soft and green is done and hard and woody is also written. Now what is the next type of stem? Yes, weak stem. So we will write here weak stem. Now beta, we will read second question. Define root. Yes. What is root? Tell me. Yes, root is that part of plant which remains under the ground. Root remains under the ground. That's why it is not visible to us. So what we will write about the definition of the root? The part of the plant which remains under the ground is called the root. Yes, this is root. Now third question is asking, look what Sanjam has in his hand and answer the following questions. This is a boy Sanjam, and what he has in his hand. See the bigger picture we are having here. Now first question is name the seeds he is holding in his hand. Yes, identify the seeds. Which seeds are these? Yes, correct. These are wheat. So we will write here wheat. Now next, are these seeds edible or not? Now first of all, Recall the meaning of edible. Yes, edible means which can be eaten. So, wheat seeds can be eaten or not? Yes, they are edible. So, we will write here edible. Now, next is seeds are present inside the trunk of a tree. Straight, true or false? Now, tell me, do seeds present inside the trunk of a tree? No, false. Yes, it is false. Yes, now name two other parts of a plant. Yes, beta, we have studied all the parts of the plant. Now tell me any two other parts of plant. Any two you can write here. You can write here stem and leaves. You can write here root and flowers. You can write here flowers and fruits. Anyone as your wish. Yes, beta. Now question number 4 is write two functions of leaf. Yes. What leaves do for plants? We need to write here. We know leaves do many things for plants, and the most important thing is leaves prepare food for the plant. That's why they are known as the kitchen of the plant. So first of all we will write here leaf prepares food for the plant. And we know some leaves become thick and fleshy and they store food and they are used for eating also. So we will write it stores food and used for eating. It stores food and used for eating. Now fifth question. Riga saw this flower in her garden and was fascinated by it. She saw this flower and she got attracted with it. Observe this picture given below and answer the following questions. Observe this picture carefully and answer the following question. First of all, identify the flower. Which flower she is holding in his hand? Tell me, name the flower in her hand. Yes, correct. It is rose. So write down here rose. Write one function of this flower. Yes. Give one function of this flower. Rose. Give one function of rose. Yes. Tell me. Yes, beta. Rose yields perfumes. Roses are used to make perfumes. Name another flower yielding perfume. Name another flower which you know used for yielding perfume. Yes, correct. It is jasmine. Write down here jasmine. Now, some flowers change into. Yes, flowers change into what? Seeds or fruits? Yes, correct. It is fruits. Now come to question number 6. Unscramble the words to reveal the names. You need to unscramble these words to reveal the names, to reveal what these words want to say. Now unscramble it and tell me. Yes, it is stem. And now next one. Yes, it is rice. Now next is solve the given crossword puzzle by using the hints given below. Now A. Beta, across means we need to go from left to right and down means we need to go from up to down. First in across, vessels that carry water to leaf. Yes, what are the vessels known as which carry water to field? Number 1. One is here we need to move this side. Yes, these are called veins. So we will write in this side. Now second, it holds the plants firmly to the soil. Yes, firmly means tightly. So which part of plant holds it firmly to the soil? Yes, roots. And the number 2 is written over here, and this is across from left to right. So we will complete this. R is written over here. We will write O, O, then T is written, then we will write S. Now third, plants take these from soil to remain healthy. Yes, what plants take from soil to remain healthy? Third, starting from M. Yes, minerals. So we will complete the spelling. minerals. Yes. Now fourth one is part of the plant above the ground. Yes, fourth one is, it is ending with M and it is that part of the plant which is above the ground. So what it can be? Yes, it is stem. So beta, we have completed worksheet of chapter 3 in worksheet booklet. So complete this worksheet in your book. Dear kids, today we have done worksheet booklet of chapter 3 plants. So your homework is to complete your worksheet in your worksheet booklet, and please revise all the facts that we have done today about plants. And please take care of yourself and be safe at home. Goodbye.